Hey guys, we thought for today's vlog we show you how we do painting around here.
Call me weird, but I love the smell of lacquer.
Today we are gonna paint the ceiling inside and also all the trim on the house, which it will be the baseboard and all the doors and bifors on the house. This part of the deal, it is Captain Ray, the one that take care of it. This is our painting machine. He's gonna be showing you guys how he gets it ready to paint.
I'm pretty sure like a million people that use the machine, they have like their own, everybody has their own way of doing everything. But the way I do it, and it has worked effectively, is just never put it away with paint still in the line in the system. You know, always flush it out with water. You can connect the holes to it, do it that way. Or you can simply take out the bucket, the paint bucket, and put in like a water lacquer thinner or like a very powerful chemical to take away the paint. This is what we like almost every time use. You can get these for like 20 bucks, Home Depot, Ace Hardware. And you put like a cup or two worth of a half 5-gallon bucket of water mixed with it, and you clean the system with it. That's just to like maintain it so it doesn't screw up every other day. And you gotta change the 2 filters that it has regularly. It's got that one over there. It's got one inside of the handle. Gotta take it apart with like an adjustable wrench and just put it back together. It's basically pretty easy. And then the same bucket that you use to clean the system while you're painting, keep it around you all the time, because let's say you're in the middle of painting a roof and the freaking pizza is being delivered and you gotta run to the door, right? For 5 seconds, if you leave this without being used while you're painting, like the whole tip, it dries up. So it gets hard, it gets clogged, and then you know you gotta be stopping. Besides the fact that you stop to go get your pizza, now you gotta take an extra 5-10 minutes unclogging it and all that crap, and it gets kind of messy. So what I do is, I always keep, while I'm using it, while I'm painting with it, always keep water mixed with the chemical like lacquer thinner. So when you're gonna stop for a minute, take a piss, take a crap, whatever, you just kind of throw it in there and it stays perfect. I don't know if you guys are kind of getting it, but it doesn't clog up and it doesn't dry because it's in this water chemical thing. And then when you come back from doing whatever it is you were doing, just go about your way and you don't gotta spend an extra 10-15 minutes, 5-10 minutes, you know, cleaning the crap out of it, because it clogs super quickly. The cheaper the paint, the quicker it dries. But yeah, that's basically it. It's very simple. Like, when you buy it, I think this one costs us how much? Like 400 bucks?
Yeah.
Like 400, 450 bucks, and we bought a bunch of crap. They bought the 25-foot holes, and it comes assembled the way you see it. The only thing that wasn't on was this thing. This is what you rail the holes on when you're done, when you're gonna store it away. It brings a very short, pathetic, you know, line. That's why I always gotta get my extension cords. Pick the ugliest one you got if you're gonna use this machine with an extension cord, because whatever color it was, it won't be that color when you're done with it. Mine are, because I wipe them down every freaking time I use it, but I've seen other people, and it's got like 100 different colors on it. If you're picky, right? Take care of your crap. And you might want to go to Home Depot, buy yourself a little mixing crap. If not, they're going to give you 100 pounds of these mixing sticks. And the better the paint, the thicker it is, and it's kind of like a tremendous workout that most of the time I don't want to do. You know, you got to spend there another 5-10 minutes swirling it like a witch, right? Doing a secret voodoo recipe or some crap. And it takes forever, so just buy that thing and also clean it with the same lacquer thinner so it'll stay this color and, you know, not get dry paint and dry paint and dry paint, and eventually it won't work because you're just going to have a big old fat ball of dry paint. I bought this humongous spatula. I knew nothing of painting. Well, I knew a lot about painting, I just never did it myself. So I didn't really know anything about painting. I don't know if it makes sense. But they offered us this at Home Depot. They said, oh, you buy that machine, you need this shit. So we bought it and it kind of works perfectly. Let's say you want to do like a cut type of deal, specifically outside. Most of the reasons why I use it. You kind of cut, you don't have to spend, you know, a day and a half putting cardboard or clear plastic and tape to protect whatever it is you don't want to get painted. You just kind of put it there, paint it with your gun, and it's done. So this is a very big plus. And then always keep a rack with you just in case you get a drip or whatever. In this particular house, we don't have have to be careful with anything because as you guys can see, the entire floor was removed. So we don't gotta be careful. But if it was a house that the floor was not gonna be removed, you definitely want to keep a rag, 1, 2, or 3 rags with you at all times and very close by because you don't want to spend, you know, an extra 2 or 3 hours after you're painting on your knees, friggin' scraping off all the little drips of paint that you could have done in 5 seconds with this while it was being done. And then, that's pretty much it.
I'll get you on the go.
Huh?
I'll get you on the go so they see how it works.
I guess I highly recommend if you're gonna get into this kind of business to get one of these in the beginning. Me and Glendy were like, nah, screw that shit. We're gonna roll over everything and we're gonna brush it. Who the hell needs a machine? That's for lazy people. Bullshit. After the second house, if you gotta paint inside and outside, a mano, you're like, nah. So invest in it and just take care of it so it works. You know, it makes your life a whole lot easier and quicker.
Over and
Out.
Dad, what are you doing to my ginger snap box?